Rename the geometry standalone as pipe. After renaming it, drag the mesh component from the component systems to project schematic and transfer the geometry data to mesh. And then go for edit, which will be the science modeler. There your meshing will be done. Yeah, my mesh is open and I will just click on generate mesh. This will generate automatic mesh. So if you look at this mesh, it is not that appropriate to do numerical analysis for this mesh. So go to mesh control, click on face meshing and apply it for the face, which you see. So after applying it, and again go for mesh control, click on the sizing and then go to selection filter and select the edge one and then select the top and bottom edges of your geometry and then apply. Change the type of sizing to number of divisions. So here you give number of divisions as 100 and the behavior will be hard and no bias type. Then just generate your mesh. You can see the number of elements has increased and even this mesh looks good, but this is not appropriate to do turbulent flow because in the turbulent flow there are many small fluctuations near the wall, so there must be more elements and the mesh must be finer near the wall. So to do so, click on mesh control, click on sizing, select this right edge, then apply, change the type to number of divisions, give the number of divisions as 30, change the behavior of mesh to be hard, and then bias type will be your first one, and then give bias factor as 10. So let us see how this, oh so sorry, I've done it wrong. It must be finer near the edge, so select the second one. So you can see the finer mesh will be there because there will be finer elements. Generate mesh. You can see there are finer elements, but there is some deflection due to phased mapping. We did not define any mesh on the left edge. So go to mesh control, sizing, click on left edge, change the type to number of divisions, give the number of divisions as 30, select the behavior as hard, and here your bias type will be first one because that is quite opposite to your first one, and then generate mesh. Yes, now you can see there are finer mesh close to the wall. So our accuracy of CFD model will increase. So once cross check every named sections. So inlet and wall. Oh sorry, I forgot one more named section. So I'm inserting it. Go to selection filter and give the face selection filter. select this face, apply, and then rename it by clicking F2 and rename it as fluid domain. Once everything is done, close the mesh and then save your project. That's it.